All right, so welcome back. Thanks so much for joining us again today. And of course, if you like what you hear, go down there, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure to follow us so you get more outstanding content like what we're gonna bring today in this video. So today, we are going to talk about what is the right mindset for us to have to start our multifamily journey. Well, ultimately, it's a mindset of positivity. And that's easy to say, but that starts with us. Each and every day, we have to wake up and condition ourselves to understand that the day is not going to be perfect. But we need to start with the right frame of mind to put ourselves in the best position. So as opportunities come in front of us, we can look at that from a positive environment. The thing that happens so much in life is that each time something comes up, we try to find a way to handicap it, right? We try to find a way that, well, what if, right? What if the worst thing happens? What if the best thing happens? But we forget to look at all the good things that can happen in our life. And so it can feel as if you're climbing Mount Everest to go out there and accomplish buying an apartment building. But what good will that have on you and your life, you and your family, you and the others around you, you and the investors you bring in? And what good will that carry forward into you and your ultimate success story? And what will happen if you don't do it? What will be? Will you be stuck in the same places you've always been that you don't want to be? So you deserve to take action. You deserve to take that step forward. And noting that it starts with you, to have the mindset, to have the positive mindset, the positive outlook, the positive push forward each and every day. To say, today is the day that I take action. You know what? Tomorrow's looking good too. So each day you get up, you already know you're going to take action. Get there. Talk about what you want to accomplish. Tell others. Solidify it in your mind. Solidify it in the statement you have. And each morning, say it to yourself. Each night before you go to bed, say it so your dreams bring into purpose what you're going to do. There is no waiting. Nothing gets better with time. What will happen here will be for you to take the step to learn the better questions, to get the better answers. Your journey ahead is right in front of you. And it starts with that first step, and you will be the one to do it. You will be the one to change your outcome, to change your success story, to change your future legacy, to help others around you take the success journey that they deserve to be on too. But it all starts with you, with that one action. So not how can I, but how could you not take this action? How could you not take this power forward to put forward the message to get yourself to that next level? How could you not do that? Because you need to do that. Because we need you. And we need you to take action, because you need to take action, because everyone else around you needs you to put forward that. And that's not pressure. That's the greatness that's within you. That's the greatness that's within front of you. That's the greatness that is the possibility for you to be your best self. And it's going to start with that one piece of action in front of you. So today it is not how can I don't know, I'm not sure. It is I am, I will, and I have no option but to. Let's go out there and take action, because the journey is your journey. And it starts with that first step today. So again, if you like what you hear, go down there, hit that like and subscribe button, give us a comment, give us a ratings review, put the message out there that we want to help others get along in their multifamily journey, and it starts with you. Thanks so much for joining us.